Are this is this on? Mm. So hi everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good evening. Dun sa other side of the world. Anyways, there is this just wanna share something. This is actually just a reaction video. Today I'm just sharing my thoughts on something that is a new law here in the Philippines. It imposes fines for being topless in public. Well, we all know that as this new law unfolds, it keeps like some deep conversation along the way in regards to the freedom, public space, and the boundaries of decency. Tama ba sinabi ko? Tangin, di ko na rin alam pinagsasabi ko minsan eh, teka. Yeah. Well, as for me lang ha, kasi it feels a bit crucial that we reflect on how these changes affect us all. Just want to know what you think about it. Are these measures protecting society, or do they limit our rights in on being topless? So just want to know if we can talk this openly and keep this dialogue going. Feel free to comment your reaction as well, and I can reply you with the video, and I'll make sure to tag you as well on that one. So yun nga, I think kumakalat sa social media that some of the government folks or those who are in charge, marami na sila yata daw natikitan. I don't know if it's actually correct or not. But um the thing is, may mga video kasi na lumalabas. I don't know if it's actually correct, right? May mga video na lumalabas na tinitikitan nila talaga yung tao doon mismo sa property nila. But I don't think that's actually right though, because I would say kung nasa loob ka naman ng property mo, siguro ba't ka titikitan, 'di ba? But there's an underlying question as well sa akin. What if kung like um nasa loob sila ng ano, like yung mga parang papasok na mga like squatter areas, things like that. Um are they eh, I don't know if it's something, di ko, again, I'm not an expert, okay? So is that something considered public, especially if yung, I think it's public pa rin eh. So kung huliin sila doon, they still have, well, they have the right to actually give ticket, because again, that's a public, even though it's um even though sabihin na lang dati, ayoko kasi sabihin yung squatter eh, napaka ano balahura. I don't know kung ano yung proper term or professional term for that one, kasi I'm not that genius, hindi ako ganun ka bright naman, bobo nga ako sa math, nahirapan nga ako mag-edit ng mga ano dito, kahit nga yung microphone ko natagalan ako mag-adjust. But I think parang overboard naman siguro. Let's just say kung nasa labas lang sila ng bahay nila, like sa tapat ng bahay nila. I don't think, para lang sa akin but but you're free to express your opinion as well, which is okay. Pero kung nasa tapat ka lang ng bahay nyo tapos topless ka, as long as hindi naman siguro like may mga new faces na nakikita, I think for me that's okay. Ha? For me lang, I don't know if okay sa iba. The only time I think you can just give tickets in that one is if magrereklamo siguro yung mga bagong muka or mga bisita ng kapitbahay. I think that's the time that you can um, give ticket, or the barangays will apprehend, or hindi naman siguro apprehend, kasi kung apprehend kukulong niya ano, nako, bobo ko talaga. So yun, at para lang sa akin, that's the time that they can actually give ticket, or yeah, sanction some ticket on those people. Pero kung wala naman, like kapitbahay mo lang yung nandyan, eh araw-araw ka naman nakikitang topless, wala kang damit sa taas, wag lang sa baba, kasi baka tumayo. So yun, that's Yun lang yung reaction ko kasi marami kasing kumakalat. I don't know if it's fake news, things like that. Kasi minsan kasi di na natin naasahan yung internet. Ang daming mga fake news, mga fake news. Kung totoo ba yung hinuli ni mismo nila na nasa tapat lang yata nung bahay na yun. Mayroon siyang shovel, nagpapala yata yung lalaki yung hinuli. Binigyan ng ticket. 'Di ba? Nakakadismaya naman yung ganun kung nasa tapat ka lang ng bahay niyo tapos huhulihin ka na wala kang damit. But I think for like public places like kung nandun ka sa mall o nandun ka talaga sa city na wala kang damit pang taas, then you have all the right to to apprehend those people or to give ticket on those people para sita-sita na rin, no? Para patas-patas. Pero kung nasa tapat ka lang ng bahay, wag naman siguro sana, 'di ba? Kasi nasa tapat ka, you are at your most convenient place talaga, then why would you give ticket that person, right? You can just perhaps give provide warning, things like that, but para di na ulitin, but then hindi naman ano na agad natitikitan nyo agad kasi money is something that pinaghirapan natin, 'di ba? So far yun lang naman yung reaction ko in terms of the new law here in the Philippines of people being topless. You are more than free to comment your what you think of it. And if you need my reply, I can create a video with it and I can tag you as well on your from your comment, and perhaps we can actually discuss things out. And I don't know, gusto ko kasi din malaman kung ano yung dating sa inyo in terms of this new law here in the Philippines. Yeah, I guess that's it for me lang. Kasi wala, marami lang ako nakikita sa marami lang ako nakikita sa social media. Oo, kasi ng iba. Grabe, grabe. Okay, so yun lang. I'll be expecting your comment down below. So, thank you and don't forget to subscribe or follow. Maybe in the future I can do some games. Sana di mag-error to. Putang 7 minutes to.